Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the JVC LT-32C600 32 inches LED Smart HD TV on screen, so we can now get into the unboxing. But before we do that, we also need to know that this television cost about £169 from Currys and PC World. The television that you're seeing works with Alexa, Freeview Play, BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, Channel 4, My 5, UK TV Play, Catch Up, Horror Bytes. And now we can get into the specifications of the television. So, HD 720p, 50 Freeview HD channels, 70 standard digital channels, and over 25 radio stations, Freeview Play, the biggest shows, live and on demand, all for free. So this is what you are getting for £169. Additional TV programs and movies available through Netflix, Prime Video, and BritBox, built-in Wi-Fi. 2 HDMI ports, 1 ARC, 1 USB, 1 PC input, and 1 optical output. DTS, true surround sound, and DTS HD, suitable for all wall mounting. So we can now get into the box to see what we have. Before we do that, let's just look around the box to see what we're getting. Just some information on the sides. The other side, the front, the back, roughly the same. On the bottom, we have nothing. So we can now get into the box itself. Looks like a TV stand. Yes, it is, as you can see with the photo on the box. What else do we have? Nothing else. Polystyrene. We don't need that. What we do need is the television. Now, to take the television out of the box, you have to be very careful, as we are not trying to damage the screen. Lie the blocks flat. Put the television on top of the box. Instruction manuals and remote. And now we can lift up the television. Move the box to the side, as there is now nothing else left in the box except for another polystyrene casing, which we no longer require. Now we can get into the television. We can either take the television out of the sleeve, or we can just cut the packaging. Like I said, we have to be very careful with the television. Take out the plug. This now needs to be connected to some power. If I just pull up an extension, the television is now turned on. We will then take out the remote, insert the batteries, power on. But in this tutorial, we will not do that as we already have a remote. Power on. And the television is now on. The only thing left now to do would be to set up the television, connect to a coaxial cable, receive a signal. Yes. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial and video. Thanks for now.